GS Energy, a subsidiary of Ryzen Energy, is a professional power solutions manufacturer with a team of industry experts who create stable, efficient and robust products. We provide advanced smart energy solutions globally for residential, commercial and industrial clients. Among the battery lineup offered by GS Energy, the Titan HV series stands out as a popular high-voltage residential storage system. This state-of-the-art product boasts exceptional safety features, utilising a cobalt-free LiFePO4 composition, known for its high density and extended lifespan. These cells are sourced from Gotion EV, renowned for their superior quality and support of 1C charging and discharging performance. With over 6,000 cycles, these batteries offer reliable and long-lasting energy. Furthermore, they can operate effectively within a wide temperature range of -10 to +50 degrees Celsius, ensuring adaptability in various environments. Featuring a modular design, each unit of our battery system provides 3.74 kWh of power. The system can be easily expanded up to 18.7 kilowatts, and by connecting a maximum of 5 battery clusters in parallel, a capacity of 93.5 kilowatt hours can be achieved. With IP65 protection making the unit suitable for indoor and outdoor installation, our batteries are floor mounted for added convenience. Our batteries hold several certifications to ensure the utmost safety, including TÜV, IEC, CE-EMC, ROHS and REACH. Furthermore, we provide a comprehensive 10-year performance warranty to our commitment to customer satisfaction. Finally, our batteries are compatible with leading inverters such as Goodway, Growatt, Solis, Sofar and more. Additionally, we maintain an EU warehouse to facilitate prompt delivery and after-sales service.